Life starts here, at insemination. Although caging sows throughout their pregnancies was banned in the UK in 1999, some farms still use stalls to crate pigs for insemination. The law permits a few hours in these tiny cages for this purpose. Yet we filmed pigs locked in sow stalls in the middle of the night when no workers were present. This is not the only time these intelligent and social animals will be caged. When they are due to give birth, sows are moved to farrowing crates. These metal chambers with hard, bare floors prevent the sow from fulfilling any of her natural behaviours. She can sit, stand or lie down, but for around 4 weeks at a time and twice every year, she can do no more. The bars prevent mothers from nurturing their young. Piglets who are weak or sick cannot find their mother's teats, and she is unable to help or comfort them. The mortality rate is high. In the UK, around 12% of piglets do not survive to weaning. Those who do make it will be moved to fattening pens. These are barren places, often filthy, with slatted floors that allow waste to fall through. Instead of providing meaningful enrichment, farmers may supply a bit of rope or a football. But pigs are bright and inquisitive and desperate for stimulation, and these items cannot hold their interest for long. The young animals inevitably take their frustrations out on one another. Bite wounds and ripped ears are commonplace. To prevent tail biting, farmers simply cut their tails off without anaesthetic. Routine tail docking is meant to be illegal in Britain, yet every pig we filmed on every farm had been docked. Life for birds on British chicken farms is just as dismal. 94% of chickens in the UK are reared in farms just like this. Tens of thousands of animals in close confinement without fresh air or natural light. These birds are only a few weeks old, yet are already showing clear signs of lameness. This is a common problem for chickens reared for meat, whose forced rapid weight gain puts tremendous strain on their young joints. This is their last day before being sent to slaughter. Many spend it flailing on their backs, unable to right themselves, or painfully splayed, their legs broken, or joints dislocated. Others are struggling to breathe, either from the ammonia build-up or because their tiny chicks' hearts, forced to pump blood around ballooning bodies, simply cannot cope with the strain. The mortality rate inside British chicken sheds is 1% of birds every week, meaning every year more than 50 million animals die and are simply thrown in the rubbish. We are often told to buy British because our farms have high welfare standards. Yet this is what British farming looks like in 2016. This is nothing to be proud of. Please make a stand against this cruelty. Please help end factory farming.